Now let's look at how we can build up other rules that will build a slightly more sophisticated model on how we're selecting our best record. So we might look and say, okay, well, yes, I want some of the criteria to be that the record that's modified on most recently is the one that will win. However, I also want to look and see if my record is most complete, because I want that one to be scored or win or be considered as my master. So the most complete record maybe gets another 10 points. And then what we can do is we can say, okay, well, maybe there's an option set. So maybe by business type. And let's see what we have in this rule, in this option set. There's only one value, so that's a bad example. Maybe if we go to category, option set. Okay, so maybe we say here a distributor over a hardware assistant. If we add those rules, that we give them 20 points. So that if you are a distributor, you get 40 points. If you're in hardware, then you get 20 points. And actually what we can do is define which one's winning by moving up and down these field values. So if we move this down, you see that hardware now gets 40 points. So add this rule, save this, and now that is a criteria on the best record selection, and we can bring those back into our duplicate review groups. So you can see there's really high customization that can be made on how we're selecting our best record. If we go back now to the account session, yes, there's real value in being able to select the best record within a group. So we'd go in and we'd then auto promote the best record. However, this is just acting on this group. The real power is in being able to promote the best record in all 2,354 of these groups. How you do that is by these bulk actions, which is one of the main features of the master module, is that you can then execute those bulk actions, whether that be merging or linking approaches. So here we have the ability to execute the rules that we've just defined on all of those 2,354 groups by promoting the best record. And what we'll then do is we can go in and review those, having selected the best record under the criteria we've defined. In the next video, we'll look at how we're filling the best data onto that duplicate record. And then once you've done that, you're ready to go and accept and merge and just go and bulk process all of these duplicate records so that you don't have to review all of these duplicates. So hopefully that was helpful. And if you're interested on the autofill actions, please take a look at the next video.